Hey, what's up guys? My name is Arnold.
And I'm Alex.
We're here with Mike from Smurfinwrx and Premium Auto Styling. We're here at the pre-movie meet for Fast and the Furious 6. We're co-founders of Rexagram, so if you see our pictures, go ahead and follow us, or if you don't, definitely check it out. And here's the turnout.
Hey guys, we have a lot of Hondas here. We had some Camaros roll up earlier, of course some Subarus and some Evos in here, and a couple Genesis and some BMWs. Whatever you guys can think of, it was here. So thanks for watching guys, and this is what the meet looks like.
What up?
What up?
Trying to have brew?
Moments of fire. Moments of fire.
What up, young blood? You going, man? Yeah. Oh, on the cars? You talking about the cars here?